everybody, and welcome to my channel. So I'm not exactly sure what this is. I'm just gonna unbaggy on the channel. Not exactly sure. I ordered some things for my wedding, and I don't think that this is what I think it is. I think it's a shirt for my fiance, but it said it's coming from Ohio. I thought that was really strange. And this is not from Ohio. And here's Dylan's shirt for his wedding. It's camouflage. So that is Dylan's shirt for the wedding. It matches the bottom of my dress. Alright, thanks for watching, and if you didn't know, I am getting married in July on the 14th. I'm sorry I haven't made any videos lately. Just been super busy planning a wedding, I was working 2 jobs, so it was just a full-time job and a part-time job, and I was just completely overwhelmed. I quit my full-time job. It started off as a part-time job, and then it became a full-time job, and it was just a lot of nonsense. They didn't do me right, so I left. Alright, but anyway, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos. Bye, guys.